Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, not in today's newspaper, no, it's the yesterday's edition. Saturday, October the 8th, 2022, yes. In this additional, we have three puzzles left. The first puzzle I have already solved. It's today actually Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper. So two puzzles are left, the Sudoku with 2 stars and the cipher block. But first, let me continue with the Sudoku with 2 stars. And this will be number 5301. 5302. Yeah. 5302. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me see the 7 in this row, the 7 in the row below. So in the third row, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in this box. Here's 7 in the middle row, so no 7 in those two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, and now I cannot continue with the 7. Alright. Then, let me see. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes here. Can I continue with the 7? Yeah, let me continue with the 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. How about the 6 then? 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 in these two boxes. Here, 6 in this row, so no 6 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the first row, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 6. How about these are 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. And look, we have a 2 in this middle row, so no 2 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 2 should be there. So the 8 and the 9 are left in this big square. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. Alright. Okay. And then 2 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes and there. Then. Yeah. 491. Interesting. 4, 1, 2, 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in the second row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3. Yeah. Well, we have 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in the third column is number 3. Well, we have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 there. Here 3 in that row, so no 3 there. So the 3 in the third column could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Okay. Cannot continue with the 3 now. How about the 5 in the first row, the 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. The 9 in this first column, the 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, okay. Then. How about 8? 8, yeah. Complicated, but we have an 8 in this row, the 8 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the first row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes here, and 8 in this column, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. Here or there, we see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. All right. Okay. 2 missing numbers now in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 it goes and there. Right. 3 and 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 3 goes there. Alright. So we have a 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 3. Okay. 6 and a 1. Okay. 1 and a 2. 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 and 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. Now we have a 6 here in the last row. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And all the 6s are used. I can see this number 3, number 6. Okay. Two missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. 2 in the last row, 2 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then 2 and 8. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 4. So the other pair in this big square, the numbers: the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes again. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes again. The other pair in this big square numbers: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in a row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 and a 5. Well, we have a 4 now in this last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 9 and 5, we have a 5 now in the last row, so no 9 there. 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. A 1 box left in this column. 4 number: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Now we have a 4 here in the second row. So I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and 4. We have a 4 now in the second row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers: the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 1 now in this second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in the second row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And 1 box left in this big square. For number, I believe the 9, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, 2 stars. Now let me give this a 1 star. And I'm getting faster and faster. Well. If it's going too fast, just rewind the video. If you have complaints that I'm going too fast, you can also leave a comment. And maybe next time I will slow down. Yes. Alright. Second puzzle already solved. Then we have 1 puzzle left. The Cyber block in Dutch. In English, they call it tectonic. So 1 puzzle left. I will see you later for that puzzle, the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.